Now guys, in front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, and now mark wallpapers. Here you can select the source from which you want to pick the photo. It can be one from your recent photos, one from your albums, live photo, static photo. If you tap on more wallpapers, you will be able to download some more, and let me choose, for example, this one. Now just take a look how it looks on your home screen. Tap on apply, wait till it's downloaded. Okay, and now you have to provide your account details, so let me skip it for now and choose some other photo. So as you can see, all pictures, all wallpapers from the website needs to be done through your REALME account. So just log in and apply it. As you can see, you've got plenty of options here. It's really interesting. But for now, for this video, let me choose some simple static wallpaper, for example this one, or maybe green one to be more suitable. Tap on apply and finally decide if the photo is to cover your lock screen only, home screen only, or both lock and home screen. So this is what I would like to pick. Here you can see how it looks, and then just mark apply. So that's it, that will be all. As you can see, it is already applied. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.